Hey folks, back again with another video. It's Sammy, and I have something sweet for you today. It's a little bit different. Just stay tuned and enjoy the moment. So I wrote down a list of things that I realized over some months, and it's just 4 things that rich people do that the poor don't. Listen, poor people watch too much TV. Rich people, we read books. Write it down. Number 2, poor people get paid for time. Rich people, we get paid for value. Which means this: based off the value I give to the marketplace, I make more money. You can be the best employee at your workplace or on the planet, but as long as you get paid for time, you will never get rich. Poor people think they know everything. They know how to market. They know what book to read. They know everything, but then it doesn't even reflect in the accounts. Rich people, hey, we're willing to learn every single day. We are willing to learn every single day, and from everybody. Poor people, they just never take action consistently. They watch videos like this, get inspired. They can buy a program, they can buy a system, but they don't do anything about it. And if they do it for about 2 or 3 days, and that's it for them. Yeah, that's poor people. Rich people, we take massive action. And you know, when I talk about poor and rich people, I'm talking about the mindset. Let me dive deep into this. Rich people believe I create my life. Poor people believe life happens to me. If you want to create wealth, it is imperative that you believe that you are the steering wheel. You are the steering wheel of your life, especially your financial life. If you don't believe this, then you must inherently believe that you have little or no control over your life, and therefore you have little or no control over your financial success. That is not a rich attitude. Did you ever notice that it's usually poor people who spend a fortune playing the lottery? They actually believe their wealth is going to come from someone picking their name out of a hat. They spend Saturday nights glued to their TVs, excitedly watching the draw to see if wealth is going to land on them this week. And usually it doesn't. While rich people, even though they would love to win the lottery, it is not their primary strategy for creating wealth. So they don't spend half their paychecks on tickets. You have to believe that you are the one who creates your mediocrity, and that you are the one creating your struggles around money and success, consciously or unconsciously. It is told you. Rich people focus on opportunities. Poor people focus on obstacles. Rich people see potential growth. Poor people, they see potential loss. Rich people focus on the reward. Poor people focus on the risk involved. And you know what? It comes down to the age-old question. Is the glass half empty or half full? Which angle do you see this from? Rich people play the money game to win. Poor people, they play the money game not to lose. Poor people play the money game on defense rather than offense. Let me ask you, if you were to play any sport or any game strictly on defense, what are the chances of you winning the game if you're to play strictly on defense? Most people would agree, slim to none. Yet that's exactly how most people play the money game. Their primary concern is survival and security instead of creating wealth and abundance. So, what is your goal? What is your objective? What is your true intention? The goal of truly rich people is to have massive wealth and abundance. Not just some money, but a lot of money. So, what is the big goal of poor people? Let me tell you. To have just enough to pay the bills. And on time would be a miracle. Again, let me remind you of the power of intention. When your intention is to have enough to pay the bills, that's exactly how much you will get. Just enough to pay the bills and not a dime more. Rich people choose to get paid based on results. Poor people choose to get paid based on time. Poor people prefer to get paid steady salary or hourly wage. They need the security of knowing that exactly the same amount of money is coming in inside their account in a month. What they don't realize is that the security comes with a price, and the cost is your wealth. Living based in security is living based in fear. What you're actually saying is, I'm afraid I won't be able to earn enough based on my performance. So I'll settle for earning just enough to survive or to be comfortable. Rich people prefer to get paid based on the results they produce. If not totally, then at least partially. Rich people usually own their own business in some form. They make their income from their profits. Rich people work on commission and percentages of revenue. Rich people choose stock options and profit sharing in lieu of higher salaries. Notice, there are no guarantees with any of the above. And that's the scary part. As stated earlier, in the financial world, the rewards are usually proportionate to the risk. And I would like to leave you with this. Your income can grow only to the extent that you do. It's your boy Sammy once again, and I'm out. Peace.